In this tutorial, we're going to use dynamics with mograph to create this domino animation. So first I'm going to create a floor object, and I'm going to create a cube. This is going to be the domino piece, and I'm just going to adjust the cube's width and height. I'm going to create a mograph cloner, and I'm going to make this cube editable once I'm happy with the shape. And I'm going to drop it into the cloner. In the cloner, I'm going to get rid of Y because I want to clone along X like this. And I just need to move up my cloner so it's just above the floor. So the floor is this line here, and I'm just going to put it just above the floor. So I'm just going to add a simulation tag, tags simulation rigid body. The same for the floor. I'm going to use my shortcut. On the cloner tag, I'm going to go to inherit tag, apply tag to children, and I'm going to set individual elements to all. That way each domino acts individually. We can't really see it yet, but once we animate it, it'll be noticeable. Okay, so I'm going to increase the cloner count. – 14 maybe. Just play that back quickly. Looks okay. So what I want to do is I want to basically get this domino to topple and then knock the rest over. To do that, I'm going to use mograph selection. So mograph selection, and you'll notice these red dots. So I can basically select a cloner. I'm going to select the first one, just click on it, and it creates this tag called mograph selection. So if I now add an effector, a plane effector, you'll notice that the selection set to mograph selection, and it's only applied to that first domino, the effects of the plane effector. So I'm just going to get rid of position. I'm going to check rotation, and I'm just going to, actually I might use a bit of position. I'm trying to get this domino to topple. So basically when I play the dynamics animation, this is going to fall down and hopefully knock everything over. So I'm actually just going to take a look. Oh, not quite. So I'm going to try and bring it a bit closer maybe. Looks like the distance between the dominoes is pretty far, so I can actually reduce that on the fly. It's really cool. And I'll just play this back, see what happens. That's better, still kind of struggling, but might bring them a bit closer. And I can still adjust this first domino using my plane effector settings, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna put that a bit closer. That's a bit better. They're kind of a bit slidey, so we can actually go to the floor tag and then increase friction. I think it seems to be a bit kind of slidey, and then bounce, we can maybe reduce that a bit. See if this makes a difference. Yeah, that definitely helped. So keep an eye on the friction. It's good to keep collision noise kind of down as well, so I'm going to set that to 0.1. And that's much better. So we can also do cool stuff like I can select the cloner and I can do step rotation, curl it around, maybe curl it this way, see if this works. Yeah, increase the count so I can increase the number of dominoes on the fly. So that's basically how you can isolate cloners and then use dynamics selectively. So if you found this tutorial useful, please share it, and thanks for watching.